Okay, just changed batteries. It's still Christmas Day 2020. You know. Again, it was exactly 50 years ago on this date I got my very first cassette tape recorder as a Christmas present. And boy, that was a Christmas gift that forever changed my life. God, 50 years. Absolutely remarkable. I hope I got that splash off to the right. The earliest Christmas I can remember was probably 1960 when I probably got this busy box. That was the last Christmas in the USA before we sojourned down to Montevideo, Uruguay. In South America, of course. Of course, when we were down there, we ended up having Christmas, and it was summertime. I think I better turn on the wipers again. No, it ain't R2-D2. Star Wars. Nice try, though. Star Wars, big fad of 1977. Actually, I had to work on Christmas Day 1977. Jimmy's Backyard Seafood Restaurant as a parking lot attendant, valet parking of cars. That was the last time I was there, by the way. I had to work on Christmas Day in 1978, which really sucked. I think I got a headache. I was able to go home and have dinner with everybody. 15 people strong. Okay. I think the waves have got a little better now. There's a nice one for you. Well, if you love Christmas presents, wouldn't this be a nice Christmas gift? Big waves here. Yeah, at least I'm staying high and dry. So everybody took off. Maybe I can move closer to the beach. I'll do that right now. I'll wait till these big waves pass by, then I'll move down there so I can get a bit better shot. Boy, it's good I got extra batteries in this car. Boy, it's a saving grace. Well, these high winds and everything, hoping the waves will even be bigger than those of December 1st. Back on 12/1/20, I was here and I got some real doozies. And I got some really lightning-filled compliments on the waves. Okay, I'm going to do this, okay? I'm going to move my car. Yeah, right, move my car. I missed a giant wave as always. Sucks when I'm zigging when I should be zagging. I've heard that song before. There's a possibility of thunder today. I want to be home when that happens, but you never know. Could happen when I'm here too. Okay. Alright, we'll see how I do. I know there were other cars parked here when I showed up. So hopefully I can get a better view of the waves. Yeah. Get the incredible sea foam. Nice to get rid of all those reeds that's in the way. Little sea foams look like UFOs. I may or may not even upload the first clip. It was just too windy, and I was You know, pitching and rolling with the wind. Yeah, I'll try to get that if I can. Yeah, I think the waves are pretty good now. Maybe they've increased in size. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Last time I was here, my siblings were worried. What took me so long getting home? I was having so much fun videoing the waves. Yeah, somebody else is here. I thought they'd be home opening up their Christmas gifts and everything instead of being here with me. Okay, well, probably give a few more minutes. Don't want my siblings to be worried of me. Put the camcorder down and call home, let them know I'm still here. Well, they'll call me on my cell phone, but then I'd have to drop my camcorder to answer it. So I have it with me. Let's turn on the vlogger. People having Christmas Day birthdays. Put Annie Lennox, who sings with the Eurythmics, Here Comes the Rain Again, a hit from March of 1984. She's 66 today. And Lennox, I like her hit called Sweet Dreams Are Made of This in the summer of '83. Well, that's hit #1 too. #1 right after The Police, Every Breath You Take, which was #1 for 8 weeks back in July and August of '83. Tell you, when I was here back on 10/30/17, boy, the waves were huge. They were just a tad bigger than they are now, but these aren't too shabby. Alright, I think it's almost time to go home. Not that I'm homesick, but I suppose it thunders too. See the sea foam. Alright, I think that's probably all we're going to videotape today. Alright, that's all for now. Okay.